Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is AWS VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. In our VPC, we have two subnets. One is public subnet, another one is private subnet. In public subnet, we have web server and Baston server. In private subnet, we have Amazon RDS. Public subnet is connected with Internet Gateway and route table. In the same way, Amazon RDS is connected with the help of NAT gateway and route table. So let's jump to our console and deploy this whole architecture. Let's create our VPC. Create VPC. My VPC, providing the CIDR /16 and create VPC. Creating the subnets. Create subnet. Choose my VPC. Subnet name web subnet. Availability zone AP South 1A. CIDR provided 10.0.1.0/24. Create subnet. Create another subnet. Choose my VPC. Subnet name DB subnet. Availability zone South B 10.0.2.0/24. Create subnet. For creating subnet group, we need one more subnet which must be private. So create my VPC. DB subnet to Mumbai 1C 10.0.3.0/24. Create subnet. In our web subnet, we have to create it public. So go to action, edit subnet setting, enable auto assign public IPv address, then save it. Then create RDS. Before creating RDS, we need to create subnet group. Create subnet group. RDS subnet group. Choose VPC, my VPC, availability zone 1B 1C. Choosing our subnets. Create. In the same way, we have to create our security group. So go to our VPC, click on security group, create new security group, RDS security group. Choose the VPC, my VPC, here add rule, add inbound rule. Choose MySQL Aurora. Provide the IP address of subnet 1. that is web server subnet. Create security group, go back to RDS database, create database, choosing MySQL database, 3-tier database name RDS database, providing the password, I am here disabling the storage auto scaling, choose my VPC. Here the subnet group automatically assigned. Then public access, I am providing no. Here we have to choose VPC security group, choose RDS security group, I don't want default one. Availability zone 1B, then create database. Our database is not available now, so let's create our internet gateway. Create internet gateway, my internet gateway, create, then go to route table, create route table, IGT route table, select VPC, my VPC, create route table. In internet gateway we have to attach to VPC, select VPC, my VPC, attach internet gateway, then go to route table, go to action, edit subnet association, choose web subnet, again go to action, edit routes, add route, internet gateway, provide all access, save changes. In the same way, create net gateway, create net gateway, my net, subnet, choose web subnet. Here I am allocating elastic IP, then create net gateway. After creating net gateway, it will take some time. Go to route table, create route table, net route table, select VPC, my VPC, create route table, go to action, edit subnet association, choose DB subnet, save association. In the same way, go to action, edit routes, add route, click on net gateway. Here is our mynet, provide all access, create. in our NAT. It is still pending. It will take some time to be available. Let's go to EC2 instance, launch instance, create Baston server, I am choosing here Amazon Linux. Select key pair name. You can also create new one. I am selecting Mumbai. Edit network setting. Choose our VPC, subnet, web subnet, auto send public IP enable, create security group, Baston security group, SSH anywhere, choose my IP, configuration storage 8 GB, then launch instance. It takes some time to be available. Let's check our RDS, it is available or not. It still is in process. Let's wait for it. Now our RDS database is available. So view connection details, copy our endpoint, close, go to our GitHub account, edit our code, provide here our endpoint, and commit changes. Here our username is admin, password is admin123, database is contact. So let's create the web instance, launch instance, name it as web server, we are using Amazon Linux, choosing key pair as Mumbai, edit network setting, choosing VPC, subnet as web subnet, security group name as web security group. Here in security group SSH, we are providing source type anywhere, it security group, choose HTTP from anywhere, configure storage is 8 GB, then we are using here bootstrap script. Let's copy it and paste here and launch instance. View all instances, go to Baston server, copy the private IP, move to VPN management console, go to security groups, choose the RDS security group, edit inbound rule, add rule, choose SSH and provide the private IP address of Baston server here and save rule. Now our Baston server and web server are in running state. So let's connect to our Baston server. Choose copy our public IP, go to putty, paste here, font size 10x20, okay. SSH authentication, browse AWS keys, Mumbai.ppk file, open, accept, login as EC2 user, here sudo su yum update, here the files are getting updated. Now yum install MySQL, here you connect to database MySQL -h, go to RDS, copy our endpoint, go to putty, paste here, we have already connected. Let's create database name contact, use contact, then create table, then DSC contact. You can see all the fields here, name, email, phone number and messages. Let's go to our EC2 instance, choose public IP of web server, paste in the web browser. We can see our website is on live, it's working fine. Let's go to contact, provide name as testing, email test@gmail.com, phone number some random numbers, message I need software installation service, click me. You can see here our details are submitted. Let's move to our MySQL, select star from contact, we can see one row is inserted here, testing, name as testing, email testing@gmail.com, phone number and message I need a software installation services. Let's do once more time. Choose development, email test@gmail.com, phone number, message, it works, click. Our details are submitted. Let's check again. You can see here after testing development is here, development, and our message as it works. Now we are going to add the NACL. So let's go to network ACL, create network ACL, name is as NACL web, choose our VPC and create NACL. Now go to action, edit subnet association. We are choosing web subnet, save changes. In the same way, edit inbound rule, add new rule, add rule as 100, provide here SSH and source as my IP address. So let's check my IP address. What is my IP? Here is my IP address. Copy it and paste it. /32. Add new role. Rule name as 200. HTTP port 80 and allow all. Add new rule also. We are now adding ephemeral port, rule as 300, custom TCP. We are providing the port name as 1024265535, allowing all. Save changes. In the same way, edit outbound rules, add new rule, 800, rule number 100, choose SSH, provide my IP, in the same way add another rule, 200, choose HTTP, allow all, add another rule, 300, port number as 10242655535, allow all. Save changes. Let's go to our website and run it again. It works. Our NACL is working properly. Let's check again. Name as Ramu, email as ramu@gmail.com, give any mobile number, provide message as hello, and our details are submitted. Let's check to our MySQL. We can see here ramu@gmail.com and the message as hello. In this way, our VPC project is completed. Our architecture has been deployed.